Okay, we're here. Just gonna quickly sprint across the street. Okay, we're at the Organ Pipes National Park. Welcome. Yes, thank you. Oh man, I'm gonna die in a Wolf Creek shit. Alright, we're here. Let's try to find a parking. Alright, we're parked. Alright, start this hike. Cable stuff. Hey, this is kind of fun. Plants of the grassy plains. Moving on. Anyways. Amazing view. It's the same view that you drive past on the highway, you know, you look down, so it's just magnified. Rasate rock tessellated pavement. 800 meters or 500 meters of depth. I'll pick the 800 meters, thank you. The tessellated pavement. No access denied, huh? Breathing the fresh air. Yep, that smells like... Oh, it smells like... Can't smell it. Fresh. Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Look at that. The hill formation. Wow. Beautiful. Look at these branches. Wow. Amazing. I know. Australia's, you know, bush life is so... You just look at it, it's like, yeah. There's no pop to it, man. Maybe I'm hiking in the wrong season, but like still. There's nothing like... a bear. You know, it's just... Very wholesome scenery. That's my honest opinion. Like this, like dead shit. Look at this, hey, look at this, hey. It's a nest. A dinosaur nest. To be honest, it's pretty chill, man. It's pretty good. Just you know, by myself. Oh look. somebody's home who trespassed. Anyways, as I was saying, you know, hiking by yourself is not bad. Usually when I hike with people, just, I don't know. To be honest, I don't really like it, so I'd rather do it by myself. It's conservation area, no access. No shit, buddy. I can't even climb up there, man. Oh, can I? Like when I'm by myself, I'm truly myself, you know. What that means. Look at this potential scenery. Shall we film me climbing up and stacking it? Yeah. Oh, fucking snakes, bro. Keen to get snaked. I mean, if you guys see it, this is what people call a river, I think. Let's not get any crazy ideas, shall we? Hello. Yes, I'm out by myself. Sleep and die, and I find my body 2 months later. Where did I die? In a nice river. You know what? I'm gonna go look for some fucking crocodiles, man. I don't think they're here, but talk shit by myself like I'm crazy. I'm not crazy, by the way. Oh shit. Man, the scenery is nice in this camera, man. Not like my hairline, but anyways. Yeah, my phone's at like 53%. It was at 85 2 hours ago, so I'm thinking let's get a portable charger. You know? It's actually really nice. I look so good in this thing. God damn, man. Yeah, I need a portable charger, man. I don't want to go hiking and then next minute, hey, yo, your phone died. What are you gonna do? I guess I'll just, you know, crouch down and start crying. Look at the formation there. If you can see it on camera, I'll flip it. I feel like I'm like a curious bystander, you know. You just see this odd path, so you just want to check it out from a distance. I think there's no path leading anymore further, so we're gonna continue on the human paid path, you know. Oh, that's a bird. No, it's a plane, stupid. Oh, okay. Let's do a scenic walking scene, huh? I've never seen these trees that are so tall in my life. Don't touch the sky. Random quotes. by me. It's gonna get quite hot. I think that's rabbit dungies. Let's continue. So I had a bit of a wardrobe stripped down. Ooh, it's a bit, a bit too hot for me. I should flip my hat. Looks like a decent human being for once. But I'm me, so no thanks. A little bit gang, walking at the park. Potential, I see a potential scene. Give me a sec. Wow. Oh my God. So apparently there's foxes by the river drinking. Let's have a suss. I don't know, I don't see anything. Are we allowed to walk down here? Okay. This is an ankle twister, man, for sure. Ooh, I wouldn't mind a beer. Thank you. Wow, this is amazing. Potential scene. We're not doing anything crazy. Amazing. Amazingly satisfying. Look at these formations on the side of the hill. It is rippling. It looks like fucking Oreos. It looks like Oreos, to be honest. It's so peaceful, man. There's no one around. It's like the post-zombie apocalypse. Potential. Come visit Australia, huh? I hope I get bit by a tiger snake, make the video more interesting. Like, oh, it hurts, oh. Look at that, that's beautiful. It's the texture of an Oreo when you zoom in times a million. Potential scene. This is my swamp. Donkey. So, my thoughts on this little hike. It's not bad. And it's not good. So I guess it's okay. I mean, this tree is nice. I mean, the way it's growing, it's like it's trying to reach the other side. It's like, bruh, there's no space on this side, man. And this bitch tree won't leave me alone. This one too, man. This is what this tree is just trying to tell me. You know, it's trying to, you know, grow enough to reach out and cross the river. I have no idea what I'm on about, but yeah, that's what I think. Trying to get away like me. Oh, I haven't got bitten by a fucking tiger snake yet, so it would be more entertaining. What I mean, like, oh god, title the thumbnail. Got bit by a tiger snake while hiking in extreme pain. At the moment, in the ER title. But I don't think there's any tiger snakers in this area. There's a lot of droppings. I don't know what it is, man. I think this is a dead end, but I'm going to keep going. Look. Why does my camera like that? Yes, this is the peak human life. Man, if I want to go exploring, man, I go to the Arctic, you know, find a polar bear. That'd be entertaining. Be a great thumbnail. Man fights polar bear on purpose for content. Choose the thoughts. Let's hope I don't twist my ankle. Like the view down here is like pretty good, and it's pretty chill to look down from over here. You know, you're like, oh yeah, it's all right. Oh, it has potential. And then you walk down here, it's like, god damn, man, this is a perfect Tinder photo. Just want a perfect shot, you know, where all the babes be like, oh man, this guy goes out by himself. What a loser. But anyways, I'm gonna stop. Come on, camera. Absolutely doing whatever I like in a safe manner. I don't have to put on a face, you know. Give my energy, you know. This is all the energies to myself right now, and I'm loving it. Loving it too much, actually. I feel like people think I'm like a quite bit of a asshole, but you know, that's how it is when you want to enjoy your peace and quiet whatever time you have on this fucking planet. So fuck it, do whatever you like, you know, who cares? Hanging by yourself is fun, then fuck, do it, man. That's what I'm doing. Too much fun, actually. I think I'm not even allowed to go down there. But anyways, I'm gonna go down there anyways. Oh, potential. Oh, potential, look at that. Potential, man, come on, man. See, if I didn't go out by myself, I wouldn't find this place, right? You know what I mean? Would have just waltzed on by and not see it, you know? Every time with people, it's like, I never get the chance because everybody's in a rush. Like, God, let's get this done and get out of here, you know what I mean? Like, when you're by yourself, you have all the time in the world. Why do I sound like Bear Grylls, man? It's kind of weird, isn't it? Anyways, I'm gonna be dramatic. This is so nice. I'm not gonna regret it, man. I was like full regret again in the morning. But like right now, actually going a bit deeper into the bush area. You know, you see some nice places, man. Hopefully I'm gonna get lost and my phone dies and then I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna have to eat fucking tree bark for the next 2 days to survive until someone finds me. To be honest, I hope nobody finds me. Live off grid, you know, like a bear. Do whatever he likes, you know what I mean? The view down here is fucking great. Jesus Christ. So yeah. Look at that. Look at that. With me in it, even better. Walking up the steep hill. I think this leads back. Leads us back to the car park, and we can make our way home. Yeah, hiking, man, it's so fun. You know what'd be good? Like just a random KFC joint out of nowhere. It's like, hey man, walk on through and have a bite. Whew. KFC for lunch. Maybe. Stretch my hand out. Ooh. Just me and myself and I, no one else. This is just fucking amazing. I don't know what's going on, but for the past week, I've been feeling awesome. Must be the air, something in the air, you know? Something in the air. Look, there's a bench. I'm gonna sit down, you know. I'm sitting on a bench. Cool. Anyways, let's continue walking. I think this takes us back, in theory. So once we get there, it's gonna be a fact. Just cut.